Okay, I'm recording. Let's go.
Oh, I went the wrong way. Oh well, I'll do this one next time. Dad? No? Oh, you want to try? Good. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Here, Amber. There you go. Come on, buddy. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Pick up your feet. Oh, but there's two minutes now. Oh, is that
That's
last?
last.
Oh, well, we'll do it now. Don't matter, as long as we got them all. Okay. Go ahead. Pick up your feet. Pick it up. Good boy. Go to the nearest. Come on, Momo. There you go. Good boy. Kick Martha. Back on your feet. Good. Okay. Hurry! Hurry! Harder! Good. Good. Three scores. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good shot, buddy. You ready? Go. Go again. No? Good boy. Good boy. Kick it. Good boy. Good boy. didn't do this one.
Flip this rein just a little bit. And use this heel.
Okay, ready? Ready? Look at this.
One thing over.
Ready?
There you go. You sit in for just a second. I'll do it for you and then you do it. Your legs are funny.
Ta-da.
Oh, we didn't do the mattress.
And the TD
You
taught
get
it.
off course and you just totally lose track of everything. I don't know where the heck I'm going.
Up. Go. Up.
No cheating. Back up. No cheating. I don't want
Get up
cheaters.
here.
No cheating.
Good,
there you go.
Get up
There
there.
you go. Good boy.
Go.
No cheating. There you go. Good job, buddy. Good. Good boy. Good boy.
TD taught her.
Oh.
Get up.
And just the pail. The thing you back up with.
There you go, buddy. Get up. Up. Get up there. Get up there. Get up there.
Good boy. You did it. Ta-da.
Ta-da.
Do you want to do the outside one?
Yeah, we could. How do I stop it?
Just push the